Is Ticketmaster down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Ticketmaster right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. I already went on Twitter and people are complaining with problems with this app. As you can see here, we have this screenshot. We are sorry. Something went wrong on our end and we need to start over. Broken things are drag, our team is on it, so it doesn't happen again. Let's try another search. And we also have this error right here, 500 internal server error. So as you can see here, you are not the only one who has problems with Ticketmaster right now. To fix it, you can try to uh, log in again on the Ticketmaster, turn off your device and then turn it on again, but mainly you just have to wait until they fix this problem. So if you do have issues with it, you can comment in the comment section down below. You can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.